You hit the reset button. And those LEDs are a lot brighter in camera than they are in reality. They're very dim. But the CPU is running. I'm happy about that. I'm not getting any kind of a display on the terminal though, so I don't know if the terminal I've got a wiring problem as far as the cabling, or the boot ROM in this CompuPro system doesn't talk, or CompuPro system, I'm sorry. Kind of cool though. And here's kind of the whole setup. You can see the blinking cursor on the H19. It's a shame I'm not getting anything though. I'll do some research and I'll figure it out.